Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making easy chicken recipe. Chicken half kg, salt as per taste, whole spices, cinnamon, green cardamom, cloves, dry lemon 3, water 4 cups, ginger garlic paste half tablespoon optional, onion half cup. Cook for 30 minutes on medium heat. Now keep aside the chicken. Drain the water in a saucepan. Now add soaked rice 1:2 ratio water. In a bowl, salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, Kabsa masala 1 tablespoon, oil 2 tablespoon, water 2 tablespoon. Make fine paste. Apply masala to the cooked chicken. Rice is ready. Keep aside. In a pan, butter 2 tablespoon. Fry the chicken for 10 minutes on medium heat. Serve like this. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.